G'day everyone, it's Chriso. I'm just doing a set out of this bathroom floor. I'm going a full tile off my strip drain. That line across there is going to be my shower screen. That's where my shower screen goes, and that's where I break its back. Breaking its back means that I'm going from there and it's sloping down to the strip drain there like that, and then that is level. So that part is breaking its back, that's what it's called, which is that line there. So it's all sloping that way down to the shower, and it's out here flat. That's where the shower screen goes, which is nice, goes nicely up there. I'll be putting the vanity in there, so it'll be coming down here, which gives you plenty of room to wipe the glass. The last bathroom I didn't have the room, and it all got a bit squeezy with the vanity and the shower and the bath and that sort of thing. Here I've got heaps of room, so I'll be lining up with that because that's my cabinet, and that's the edge of the cabinet and the edge of the vanity. That is the glass going up there for the screen, which is cool. I've come in purposely from the door 60 odd mil. I didn't want to be right at the door because I don't know how wide the track to the shower screen is going to be. I've gone off my longest wall, of course. I measure it's 485. And it's the same both ends, so I know that line going across there is dead square. This is flowing nicely, like beautiful fall, absolute beautiful fall. What I'm going to be doing now is going from that point, and if I put it against, this is a 800 mil level, if I go against the wall there, so I make bloody move, don't move. I make a mark like that, I cut my tile, and I'll be doing a mirror image this side. Beauty. What else can I explain? That's about it. So what I'll be doing is I'll cut that. I'll show you, I'm going to buff the edge just a little so I haven't got a sharp edge. I'll show you how I do that. So I'll just cut that first, and we're laughing. Don't forget to subscribe. You new ones out there, push the subscribe button. If you've come on to my channel and you like what I see, or what you like what you see, subscribe, and you'll see more videos that actually teach you from a tradie that's a real tiler and a real bathroom. See you soon. Yo. So I'll just give this this sharp edge a little bit of a buff up. Oh, nice. This is just a polishing pad I picked up online. It was about 40 bucks, I think, for, I don't know, 10 of the suckers. Nice. We'll come back to you soon.